So what you can also do is you can open up multiple tabs inside a Photopea. So over here you can see that I have a project right here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto file and go to open right here, and I'm going to go around and select out, let's say for example, this image right here. Once I do that, you can see that it opened up in another tab right here, just like this. Let me just go around and open up another tab around over here again. So if I were to go around and select this out right here, then there you go. There's another tab right here, just like this. If I were to go around on to open right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go around and select out, let's say for example, another image as well. So let's just go around and select out this image right here, just like this. Press OK right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. Now I got multiple tabs right here. I can also go around and then drag and drop it out in different sections right here, just like this, according to how I want, and work around with multiple images all at once, as you can see right here. So here you can see that there's asterisks over here in this particular tab. That is because this is not saved. If I were to go around and save it out right here, so let's just go around and save it to Google Drive right here, just like this, then this the asterisk is not there anymore, because indicating that it has been saved. And that is how you can open up multiple files and tabs inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.